right here. And getting right through the trendline violation here in the SMI, checking you're clear to be short. The MAs you're clear, MACD. 1 minute chart. Here's the problem. We have superior resistance at 1878.25. Gaps down without any serious volume coming in right here. It'd be hard pressed to believe the price could blow right through these levels to continue to the downside without any accompanying volume behind them. Copy that. Now where the preferred entry has been violated and prices are moving to the downside in the anticipated direction on the new short trade as identified by us here. We do have a substantial volume that's coming right on market opening. There will be a lot of instances where this can be a shakeout to the downside. The probe already down to this level here at 1870. 650 right here suggests that prices should be able to get down. On the next bar to that level. The MFI trendline violation. Complete. Prices are now moving down to the secondary incremental price profit target at 1876.50. And then back up. MAC disparities wide. The MAs are very clear to be long. Check and money flow is completely dumped. SMI, great position. All things clear to be stay short. The next target to the downside becomes 1875.25. People, that's 1875.25 right here. Turning back around, right back above the preferred in. Have to be awful quick on the handle to get the preferred in. You had time to get the preferred out here and here on an incremental price profit gain based on this target, and prices are moving back up. $1877.75. 15-minute indicators are clear to remain long. Cleared to remain short. We are now down again at the 1876.50 level. And then continuing on to the downside in the current 1 minute bar. Some odd 20 seconds left. Another probe here. So there's another chance to get out with a price profit target being hit right here solidly at 1876.50, people. For those of you who stayed and should have stayed in this trade, only giving back half a point on a stop, it's nothing. We are now continuing down to the secondary price profit target at 1875.25. It is April 24th, 2014. The time is 9:34 a.m. What are your thoughts, Brad?
This is a much stronger open than what we've seen the past few days, especially on the first 1 minute bar that came in. What do we have? Just shy of 18,000 contracts on that.
Yeah.
So already I think we're seeing a significant increase in market participation this morning.
Good observation. Right now, the target at 1876.50 is held, people. you have a profit after the preferred end was reached at 1877.50, you're a point up. A point up. For those who are looking for the extended hold time to pick up something larger, the probe from the previous 1 minute bar clearly suggests that prices could continue to trade to the next target on the downside at 1875.25. Current configuration on the money flow index is strong to the downside, clear to be stay short. A quick trip around the block here, looking at the 15-minute indicators. The disparity on the MACD is extremely wide. EMAs are strong. Checking money flow is in some of the best position I've seen in a long time out of this indicator. So, bottomed out here, a complete dump taking place in real time. SMI is clear to stay V short, and we are continuing down to our secondary price profit target at the 1875.25 level, managing to trade to the downside. All right, for those of you who want to get out, it's time to get out at the 1875.25 level. Okay, you just booked a nice little profit here at 1875.25, and you can get out at this point and take that to the bank. Your target has already been reached. New 1 minute bar opens on a gap down, proceeds to the downside again, testing the 1875.25 mark. On a 15-minute chart, we also have $1875.25 that we would want to get crossing above to below. We do have an incremental target here at 1874 as well, people, based on the 15-minute chart. That's close to getting reached. There's another opportunity to get out right here at 1874, people. Last 2 days have been tough to trade. You want to get those profits and book them in. The accumulated points is really where the rubber meets the road at the end of the trading week. Now right back up. The MFI's momentum is continuing to the downside. There's the current configuration at a 1991 value. Price is trading mark to the market 1875 flat. This is a real-time trade being recorded. Now 9:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. In a live trading room, open to the public, the Inside Technician. That's it, people. You're hit at 1874. That's a great profit to take off the table this early in the morning, considering how difficult it has been able to trade within the last 2 sessions. This is a gift this morning. You can take this and take that to the bank, and you're good. The preferred end was 1877.50 at 1874. That's 3.5 points, people. That's a great trade for the AM. Great trade for the AM session. Now holding at the 1874 mark and penetrating below, looking to get to superior 1 minute support at 1873. Again, that next level is 1873. What have you got below that, Brad? Based on a 1 minute chart.
1872.25.
Copy that. Remember, people, 1873 is superior support on a 1-minute chart basis. The low is just a tick away from there, the current 1-minute bar. You have substantial profit you're booking right now at the 1874 level. People are now trading back down to 1873.75. Looking to get to that 1873. And there you have it. 1873 has hit and held. You can take that off the table. The volume is lightening up. Lightening up here, people. It's lightening up. The odds of getting to 1872.25 are reduced as the volume gets lighter. Copy that.
Copy that.
$1872.25. And now prices opening and closing back down again. 1873. Once again, being hit. Incredible trade identified by us here at the Inside Technician. Now looking to get to the 1872.25 mark. Test below on that probe for the low of the current 1-minute bar suggests that prices could continue to trade to the downside. Volume continues to come in. Current configuration on the MFI is clear to stay, be short. And across the board, our indicators are all confirming the same. 1873. I'm looking at 1871 below 1872.25. Do you copy that?
Copy that. I have 1871.50 before 1871 flat.
Got it. Looking to get through that 1873 level, people, on a down close to get to 1872.25. After that, we're looking at 1871 and 50. There you have your 1872.75 level with substantial volume coming in at that price point. Now that type of volume suggests that after this extended move to the downside, this could be breaks. There's no doubt about that. See it? Over 16,000 contracts traded. That could very well be breaks at that point. It's either that or there's a lot of room to go to the downside yet. If I was in this trade and all of you and had never gotten out based on an incremental target, I would consider being out at 1871.50 without a doubt. And after that, you have the 1871, correct?
Confirmed.
Copy that. What have you got below that?
Really close, 1870.50. And below that, 1869.
Let's just keep raising it down here. It looks like we're going to get the 1869. You said 1870.50, correct?
Confirmed.
Okay. Very well. 1870.50 it is. Nice fast-moving market this morning.
Yes, it is.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So there you have one more profit target getting hit at 1870.50, people. Actually down to 1870.25. There's a lot of points that you can take off the table right now. Don't get greedy. Lock in the profit. Take it. Use it. And getting down now, we're looking at the 1869. What do we have below that?
I have 1868.25.
One moment. And there you have 1869 hit. As fast as we can get them in, they're being hit. 1868 what?
25.
Okay, we're already just about there. Keep going.
1867.75.
And we're just about there.
Below that is all the way down to 1866.
1 second. Let's take a look on a 15-minute chart and see what the match is. You're there. 15-minute chart. You're there. 1869, 1868.75. The last substantial support level on the 15-minute chart before you get to ground zero is the open of 1868.25. 1,500 hours, 423. Copy that. 1868.25. And, yeah. That's it. That's it for me. I'm out at 1868, taking it. Trade down another 10 points. I'm good with that on any day.
Absolutely.
Well, man, the last day and a half have been tough. For those of you that are still in this trade, according to the 15-minute charts, your next level is established, really. And I had laid this out a long time ago, this level right here is where prices are right now, according to this bar, approximately 1860, 675. Below that, you're really talking something in the neighborhood of here, and then really after 1866, you're really getting down to this area right here, which is the 1863.50 level. Copy that?
Copy that.
1863 level, excuse me, I misquote. 1863.50. Look at this, incredible. Just amazing, amazing move. Mm-hmm. I need to find somebody who's still in this. If anybody's still in this trade, raise your hand. Jeff Lawrence, are you still in this trade? Gary, Glenn, Chris, raise your hand, please. Amazing. How about you, Brad?